Yeah, Satish, you're there. So calling, see, function. I can say print. You have your email, I can send it. Okay, or maybe my team can also do that. Yeah. Satish, you're there?
Yeah, actually I reconnected.
Okay, you can also
But
ping
here
me.
I have one more doubt. Actually, function generally function sense if we compare C++ or Perl or whatever maybe, we
Uh,
define a function by using the keyword function, then
Correct.
function name.
That function that keyword is def here in Python. Def.
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 Okay.
I'm defining def. So instead of saying, they just change it as def. Def. Def is the function, is the keyword, and this can be any name. So I will define a function with any name. See, like so I'll define function 3. I'll say def Ramana function or say some function. No problem. Or total function. My marks function. No problem. I'll pass a comma like maths comma science.
Can we write function inside function?
Good question. That's very rarely used, but yes, we can do. But don't experiment now. It's too early.
Hmm.
Much better, much advanced. So I will tell you. This is def, and yeah. So my print. Okay, I am in. Simple. Now I call it my max function, right? So I call it call function. So my max function, I'll pass 90 and 60. So as the parameters. Now see what happens, 90 and 60. It will go there. It won't actually do anything. I'm in my max. Cool. So I think, okay, happy. So till here we are done. So functions we introduced. So I don't want to put too many things in a day. So this part, one pass thing I have to pass. So when will I use pass? For example, I will write one more function. Okay, and here only I can show. See, here I'm writing a function, but see, this is giving me error. Why? Because I should have some valid statement. See, Satish copy indentation error. Why? Because I have successfully defined a function, but I don't have any code in it. I don't know what to do with maths and science, whether I to add it, multiply, subtract, divide. My business analyst didn't give me what I need to do. So I'll take call. So say pass.
No, just one more. Okay.
Pass. So now pass. So in order to have a smooth execution of a code, wherein I can write my code later on, I define something and write a code later on, and I can pass it. Use a pass. In interview or tell me.
There is one concept called virtual function, is there, right?
Virtual functions.
Virtual functions. There also we no need to give body of the function.
Perfect.
We can just
That is
declare it, right?
correct. That is called, it's like interfaces kind of. I will tell that. That is in advanced. Interfaces may that is again, yeah, there is a advanced concept. I will tell you. Yes. You already know some other programming languages? Java.
Yeah, I know. No. Actually, the IC related stuff actually. So, I mean, system
Oh,
Verilog and Verilog, those I know.
oh,
Those are
good.
all having all this advanced Python concept like inheritance,
Okay.
polymorphism, oops, and all
Correct.
that.
Correct.
So we still use because these are all coming from, I mean, same C++, oops, and everywhere. So these are
Correct.
the basics actually.
Yeah, correct. These are the basics. So that's why, like classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, all that comes as part of advanced. So like this here, it is. See, advanced may see here. This is advanced. This is advanced. Classes, objects, self keyword. Whatever you are saying will come here. Yeah, this portion. And constructors, see inheritance, all this stuff. Various ways, modules. These are highly advanced. So, I think we will, yeah, this part done. So what we can say, control C. Yeah, this we did today. And loops we introduced for loop and all. Okay, so we will do while loop and do some examples. Then we will finish this one. String handling, I think we did, na? Upper, lower for your batch. No, I think we'll do it. No problem. Okay, we'll meet around 8 o'clock, not 8,
And
8:30. Sunday we'll have a class tomorrow.
yeah,
8:30
I
to
can join.
Copy. I would recommend you can also join around 8:30 a.m. IST tomorrow, so that we can go and in advance as per the schedule.
And actually, I have one more doubt. In our what is it? In our syllabus, do we have pattern matching regex and all?
Normally, we don't include it in syllabus because industry also doesn't likes it. Actually, industry may regex and all is very unstable. We don't have it as part of the syllabus. But if you have a doubt and all, I can give you. In the sense, if you at the end, towards the end, I will give you one session probably on regex. Normally, this is what I do. Thesis
Because
because that's what.
actually, it's a Python, especially purely based of, I mean, scripting we are doing. So
Right.
regex is a very important concept
Useful
in
for you.
because
Okay, I will
pattern.
include.
Yeah.
No problem. I will include. But for you, I will tell you. No problem. For you both, I will tell one or two sessions. No problem. Extra. That is why I put a buffer of 4 or 5 sessions just to accommodate each batch. May suppose one girl she asked me about what is that? How can Python be used with Selenium? She's a testing guy, automation. So one session explained about that. So like that, we can do. I'll give you one more session on regex. No problem. One or two probably.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. No problem. That's like uh, okay. So anyways, you guys have already completed. I think around 35% of the syllabus is completed, but they will give you. Okay, cool. So tomorrow I'm noting down around 8:30 we will meet. 8:30 a.m. IST. Copy.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8:30 my time. You can convert it and you can have same time 8:30 to 9:30. Okay. So 8:30 a.m. IST my time tomorrow. Because if I take on Saturday and Sunday, today is my Saturday. Okay. So if I take class on Saturday and Sunday, just in case next week may if I couldn't take one class, then this will be covered because I don't know some unexpected meetings are expected. I am just foreseeing. So it just I always go ahead in the syllabus. That's right. Okay. Just in anticipation. If you have it, no problem. If you don't have it also, that's fine. Cool. But tomorrow we'll have class. Tomorrow let's join at 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay. Copy.
And what is it in Eastern Standard Time?
You are only good in conversion. Today you joined sometime, na? Morning, 1 hour back. It's just 1 hour back. Uh, so 1 hour in the sense, see, today we joined 8:30, right? What time did you join today?
At 11 p.m.
I think it will be yes, 11. Now it is 12 p.m. for you.
Now it's 12:18 a.m.
That's what 12:18, correct. Just about 18 minutes extra. So 11 p.m. you could join today. Cool.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you. Sounds good.
And then
Because we go ahead. Yeah. Tell me.
I've not been able to install the PyCharm.
Oh, you want to install?
Yeah, so that
Yep. I'll tell you. So Python, did you install or no? Not yet.
not yet.
Okay, I'll show you once again. Download. See, go to Google, say Python download. You can do it after the class. Just see, and still, if you have doubt, I will explain tomorrow once again. Cool.
Okay.
See Python download. Select this one. I think this we did it in our very first class. Just try it out.
The community.
Yeah, MSI installer. Rightly, click on this. Satish, I don't have your email. Have it, or even my team will send. If you have your email, that would be great. So this is MSI file. Okay. Now show in a folder and you can see I already installed here. Where is my softwares? PyCharm, yeah, softwares. See here, this one.
Yeah.
Double click. Say next. Simple. So Python is installed. Now I will show you how to install PyCharm. Google, go to Google, then say PyCharm. PyCharm download. So JetBrains is the company, or else in your laptop, try this. See download. Click on community, direct link. It will start downloading. See PyCharm community, and yes, you can. Yeah.
I'm coming.
See, it's coming.
No, not you.
Oh.
That's okay.
So executable. Once it is downloaded, just say again. See this one, black colored. You will see PyCharm community. Just select it. Say next. That's all. It will install.
Okay.
So try it out. If you still don't get, I will help you tomorrow. Cool. Okay. So you are 11 p.m. EST. I'll put down here so that 8:30 a.m. IST is 11 p.m. EST, Pennsylvania. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you. All the best. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye. See you. Bye.
Bye, Satish.
Bye.